Hi guys, this is NJ. So we have reached the last part of our Mount of Apollo series. So I'll give a quick recap what all we have studied so far. What does the mount represent in our hand in palmistry? So mount has been given the significance of the manifestation of divine in our lives. So these cushy portions at the bottom of the fingers are so important that they can be even seen hypothetically as the powerhouse which gives energy to the lines, and because of which these lamp posts get lightened up. So these mounts are the most important, are the soul of palmistry. That is the only reason why so many palmists have even gone to the extent of saying this thing, that these mounts even carry the answers of our creation in this life. So what are the traits which and what are the parameters on which we can judge whether the mount is in a good state or not? So the very first thing is that it should be puffed. That's the first quality. It should be round, it should be protruding, it should be puffed. Second quality is that if the finger is high set, then that would automatically give the mount larger area. Third quality is the color of the mount. Fourth quality is the apex striated, which is like this. So something like this. So in hard skin and coarse skin, it is very easy to detect and diagnose. So if you'll find it at the center of the mount, so that is also considered as a very good sign. The presence of all the positive signs on the mount is also one more positive sign which adds to the goodness and quality of the mounts. And apart from that, the presence of positive signs which we have discussed in the last video, like triangle, trident and square, also adds the quality which are associated with this particular mount. So with all that being discussed and all that being understood, now comes the last part, the Vedic connection of Mount of Apollo. So I just give you a quick overview of what all has been written in our Vedic palmistry and what all are the significance which has been given to this Mount of Apollo. So the very first thing is the numerology association. So the number 1 has been given to the sun, the Mount of Apollo. This is number 1. Then comes the color. So the saffron color is associated with the sun and this Mount of Apollo. Then comes the gender. So the sun has been given the male gender. Then comes the caste. So in our ancient scriptures, sun has been given the warrior, the Kshatriya caste. So the caste comes out to be warrior. Then comes the next part, which is the nakshatras. The nakshatras ruled by sun. So there are 3 nakshatras which are being ruled by sun, which are Kritika, Uttara Falguni and Uttara Ashadha. Numerology we have discussed that number 1 is has been given significance, and number 1 is associated with the planet sun, the Apollo. The color is saffron, gender is male, caste is warrior. The nakshatras which are associated with this are which are ruled by sun are Kritika, Uttara Falguni and Uttara Ashadha. Then comes the designation. So like the way I have been telling you people that every planet in our solar system has been given in our Vedic astrology, in our Vedic palmistry, has been given a portfolio. So sun has been allotted the designation of the king. So the designation is king. The direction which sun rules is east. Now comes the part, the main remedy part. So the yantra of sun is And then first, as a part of remedy, the yantra which can be used to strengthen the positive qualities of Apollo, to make this portion, the mount of Apollo, in a good state, to protect it from all the afflictions. This yantra can be kept in our possession. Then comes the part which is very important part of remedy, which is the Rudraksh. So 1 and 12 faced, or in Hindi which we call as Ekmukhi and Baramukhi Rudraksh, has been associated with the planet Sun. Then comes the another part, which is the Bij mantras. So the Bij mantra of Sun is Om Ram Hrim Hrom Saha Suryaya Namaha. So reciting this mantra just ensures that all the positive qualities of this mount of Apollo, which are your fame, your recognition, your creative abilities, your extrovertness, so all these qualities get assured that this person will get blessed with all the positive qualities associated with Sun. All the negativities, if there is any negative sign, he'll get protected from those afflictions. And you know, like the way it happens with lines, the same is the case with mounts as well. So if someone's mount on the palm is in a bad state, so that mount can get well developed by opting proper remedies, by doing possessing and keeping the yantras and rudraksh of all the planets, the planet which is associated with that yantra. So the associated yantra of the planet, if you'll keep those with you, if you'll recite all the recommended mantras which are directly associated with that planet, so you can just get assured of the positive results in your life. So this is the mantra Om Ram Hrim Hrom Sah Suryaya Namaha. Then comes the donation part. So I'll just So now comes the donation part. So what is written in our ancient scriptures, the Samudik Shastra, and even the books of astrology, which are which tells about the signification of sun. So they tell that if someone who is facing the affliction of sun in his life, or let's say in the form of afflicted mount of sun on his palm, so if that person donate these couple of items like red flowers, red cloth, so donation of all these items can just help him get rid of the affliction and the evil effects of sun in his life. So this is about the donation which an individual can think of as a part of remedy to ensure the positive effects of sun in his life. Then comes the part which you guys need to know is the the body part and the diseases. So the body part which is being governed by the sun are your right eye and your bones. Then comes the part of the diseases which you also need to know. So people who are facing the affliction of sun, or let's say an afflicted mount of Apollo in their palm, can remain vulnerable to these diseases like your headache, fever, heart and eye diseases, then your thirst, your sunstroke, loss of appetite, diarrhea is also a person who is facing the affliction of sun also need to be remain watchful of diarrhea. So these are the diseases which one need to remain watchful of if he is going through the affliction of sun, or there are some negative sign which have appeared on the mount of a sun. So these are the diseases, and the professions which are like ruled by sun are all the top executives, the goldsmith, people in good government, top government jobs, politicians, in Indian government there's like very top services which are known as IAS officers. So all these positions, the physicians, the goldsmiths, the top executive, top government incumbent employees, so these are the positions and the professions which are being governed by the sun. So this is all what I needed to say, the Vedic connection of sun in our life, which is being written in our ancient scriptures. And one more thing, the deity association, which is very important, I forgot to mention this. So Lord Vishnu is associated with planet Surya, and the Bij mantra to please Lord Vishnu is Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namaha. So this is all as a part of the remedy, as the part of the numerology association with this Mount of Apollo, the color association, the gemstone, one more thing, gemstone I forgot to mention. So the ruby is the gemstone which you can consider wearing in order to ensure the positive effects of sun and a good well-formed Mount of Apollo in your palm. So I'll repeat, apart from all the things which I have discussed, which you should know about the Mount of Apollo and the planet sun in astrology, in palmistry, in your lives, the remedies which you can think of doing in order to ensure positivities of sun in your life are, first means to be possessing the yantra which we just mentioned, and wearing the gemstone ruby which we just discussed, and the most important, the most significance and most importance which I give to is the recitation of the Bij mantra which we just discussed, Om Ram Hrim Hrum Sah Suryaya Namah, and the donation of articles like red flour, red clothes, wheat, saffron, gold. So these are the kind of remedies which you can think of. So I hope I made myself very clear on this. We have discussed all the attributes of Mount of Sun, the positive aspect of this Mount of Apollo, Mount of Apollo, the negative aspects, what will happen when there will be different signs which will get spotted here, and lastly the Vedic connection of Mount of Apollo. So I hope you guys found this video informational. For further more updates and notification of palmistry, please subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. Thanks.